Hello guys, welcome to my channel Gotham Tech Tutorials. In this video we will learn why Java is important, why Java, and what is the rank of Java among all of the programming languages. So let's start. Now we will go to this website tob.com. Here you can see number of programming languages are there, and you can find Java is at the top second rank, and this is the updated report that is of May 2020. You can see rather than this we have some more important points to discuss about why Java is important. So you can see Java is an object oriented programming language. Yeah, this point makes Java very important because OOP concepts are like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance are there in Java, which makes Java very useful and very easy also. And rather than this, we can see Java has a rich API. API means application program interface, which is a medium of communication between two different applications. So Java is rich in APIs. You will find so many API in Java, and we can say Java has powerful development tools like Eclipse and NetBeans. These tools are very useful and very have very nice UI, and so many functionalities are there. And while doing program, you can easily write your program and execute it. um, Next point is great collection of open source libraries. Yeah, really, you can find libraries that are very wonderful and that are developed by big companies like Apache, Google, and other organizations have contributed a lot of the great libraries in Java. So this is also a very important thing we can say about Java. And the next thing is also a wonderful community support. Really, there are so many active forums you will find, and also a website that is Stack Overflow. Yeah, if you are getting any error, you will find your answer there, how to resolve in Java or any language also. But in Java, because it's a very old language, there is already inbuilt things and so many things, and open source organizations are there, so many organizations which who are active to support you for Java errors or Java information. And also Java is free, so we know people like free things always. People get attracted toward free things, so it is also an important thing about Java. And the next point is excellent documentation support. Yeah, really, you can see in this tab Oracle, the company Oracle, it's a very big company, and this provide Java documentation. So this is very useful, and you can learn Java from here. And this is the original one, and you can refer it for learning purpose. So it's wonderful, and I can say. Um, and next point is Java is platform independent. Yeah, it is like write once run anywhere. So because it is in a platform independent, because of JDK, actually JDK makes Java platform independent, but that JDK is platform dependent, I will say. And the main important thing is without JDK we cannot run Java. So this is also very wonderful importance of Java, we can say, that makes Java so important to us to learn Java, obviously. And the last point is Java is everywhere. Yeah, exactly. Because it is a very old programming language, you will find 50 to 60% large company or small company also, like 50 to 60% companies are still working on Java. So they are using Java program. And if you are a fresher, I will suggest go for Java, because there are more opportunities, means companies are more, then definitely you will find more opportunities. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.